Hi.
Oh man, I was too tired at that point. I was just getting sloppier and sloppier, but I could see that trick. I've been seeing that trick ever since I landed the alley top pawn way back for that edit. Just because when I get into that topside pawn there, it just like locks in and it's such a nice way. I can't explain it. It slides so well. It feels super safe. And I just felt like I could spin it true as well. I don't know. And every time I see Nils Jansen do that true top pawn, every time I see a true top pawn, it just makes me want to try it again and again. And I think today I made some real good progress because I could see it, man. I could see it there. Maybe if I wasn't so gassed, we could have landed like more than one really bad slow one. Anyway, that was a super good skate. It's the first time I skated in almost a month, I think, and it's the first B-roll of the year. I'm pretty happy with how it went. I just want to quickly mention that in the video, the wax I was using on the ledge was some made by Save Ink, who sent me this kit a while ago now, which has a bunch of spare bolts and stuff. And I'd highly recommend getting one of these if you're looking to replace some frame bolts, cuff bolts or something, because it gives you everything you'll ever need, including some wax and the tools to tighten it. It's an upgrade in hardware, so they're all like hex key instead of Allen key, and the good thing about that is the hex Allen keys actually work in normal Allen keys. Sadly, I haven't got to use any of the bolts because of the setup I'm riding. You know, I've got Solas, which already have the best bolts. I've got no cuffs because it's an M12, which I think the cuff bolt's probably the best part about this. It's like the new Sola. It's like the new 909 setup. I think that'd be a good cuff bolt. But anyway, yeah, my setup, I can't use any of the bolts. The only ones I could use is the Sola plate ones, and my Sola plate ones are fine, so there's no point swapping them. It's cool, definitely check them out. But yeah, as well as that, thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to try to throw an edit together as soon as I possibly can, using some of the clips from today, obviously. It's got me super pumped, and I appreciate it so much. And I've still got this stretch goal again to 10k subs, and I know we can do it. We're halfway there. Thank you guys so much. Anyway, I'm absolutely destroyed and so tired, so yeah, I'm going to go chill out. But thanks so much for watching as always, guys. Huge shout out to my patrons, Acosta Blades, Adam, Kevin, Chris, Deb, Dennis, Fabian, Joel, Nathaniel, Sean, Skids, Grind Plates. Probably missing 100 people because I'm doing this actually off the top of my head. Sweet Moves, Targi, and the Book of Grinds, as well as the other people I'm forgetting. I'm sorry, guys. But anyway, I'll see you guys hopefully this weekend with a video that some of these clips are going to be used in. I wonder what that's going to be.